with Roses and Soltones in the front line dahil silang dalawa actually yung top scorers ng Smart Maynilad with 9 and 6 points.
Coco Wang wants to join that group para naman dito sa kupunan ng Meralco as leading scorers. So may kita natin si Coco Wang, medyo malamya pa yung power niya rito. Setting change ang mangyayari dito. Carla Bello will come into the game. Papalitan nito si Maika Morada and Ate Ivy. The substitution is disallowed. Isa lang daw. Allah, dalawa setter ngayon ng Meralco. Soltones, Reyes. Kainglet out of position. Again, another sky ball. Talaga si Kainglet may galit yata sa scoreboard dito. A joust won by Roses. Against Kainglet na naman. GTN na naman silang dalawa.
Sabi niya, ate naman. Kuya naman.
Kanina ka pa. And finally, Ivy is allowed to enter the game. Papalitan nito si April Jose. Nice serve, Reyes. Carla Bello and Coco Wang again. Inaabangan kasi nitong Smart yung malakas na palo ni Coco Wang. Up to now, puro dinks lang at saka mga power tip ang pinapakita.
At makikita rin naman natin, ano, kaya puro dink at tips yung nagagawa niyo. Nag-a-adjust siya in terms of timing and height.
Well, let's see kung si Carla Bello yung mas papaboran niyang setter dito. As that serve by Kainglet is fielded by Smart and hindi na naitawid ni Soltones. So tabla tayo ngayon, 15 all. Dikitan po dito sa ating second set sa labanan ng dalawang kupunan na wala pang talo dito sa ating open conference na Shakey's Philly. So Phil Kainglet. Guliman, binuhay. Tinawid ni Roses. Reyes. Bello. Ay, kinalmot ni Coco Wang yung bola. Tira naman papuntang zone 1 itong si Ruby De Leon. Panay Mercado, pinadaan sa net, binuhay ni Roses, and Nika Guliman puts it away.
Dinaan sa bilis ng Smart.
At dinaan sa haba ng galamay ng 6'1" na si Nika Guliman, lamang po Smart Maynilad ng isa. Shakey's face of the day, 16-year-old Christine Shatan. If you're wondering why the surname is familiar, pinsan po yan ni Shasha Torres, Patricia Shatan Torres ng Philippine Army. So 16 years old, laking bata rin. Mukhang magbabalibol din ito. Ating face of the day, si Christine Shatan. Lamang po ng isa rito ang Smart Maynilad. Coco Wang, binuhayan ni Panatikla ba? Lahat yata ng player natin ngayon mahilig sa skyball. Oh, Coco Wang! Ayan na siya!
And every time, of course, merong guest player, ano, and foreign import. Inaabangan ng mga tao yung malalakas na atake.
Kaya tanong kay Coach Roger, Coach Roger, kuha ba ng foreign import? Meron ako, hintayin mo lang. Hintayin mo lang. Sabi ko, Lauren Ford, hindi naman yun.
Pero eto, that's why he's also sticking with the current roster na meron siya.
Yung rules po kasi natin dito for the open conference is that service returned well. And Mercado cannot do anything about it. Credit half that point to Melissa Going for returning that serve. Yung rules kasi natin dito sa Shakey's Philly, mga kaibigan, pwede kang magdagdag ng player hanggang saan mo gusto, basta umabot ka na ng 14. Pero hindi ka na pwede magpalit ng player. So itong Meralco, todo na yata ito eh.
Ito na yun. This is the full lineup.
They start out with 13 players. They now have 14 dahil kay Coco Wang. So hindi na pwede magdagdag at palit itong kuponan ng Meralco Power Spikers. Hindi naman nila kailangan. Panatikla, Kainglet, Carla Bello. Sa kabila naman pinadaan. Banggaan si Mercado at saka si Ruby De Leon, Ivy Remulla. Another attack for Zone 1.
Ruby had the right thing in mind. Alam niyang walang tao dun sa corner na yon, pero lumabas.
Nire-reklamo ni Ruby yung pagtawid kanina ni Paneng. Ito na ngayon, second substitutions. Carla Bello out, Morada back in, Ivy Remulla out, April Jose back in. Kanya kalalim po yung bench nitong kuponan ng Meralco. Meron pa silang Shed de la Peña, meron pa Zarveles.
Yan ang maganda sa conference na to, no? If you look at all the teams, ang lalalim ng bench.
Jose ngayon. And they go high for Maru Panatikla. And that time, ang pinahiyaan naman niya, ito si Maika Morada. 18-17. If it's Fun Family Pizzas, gotta be Shakey's. Bari ko nga ng yung pepperoni thin crust. Padala mo rito. Charge mo kay AJ bago eh. Eto ngayon si Jose. Quick set. Teka muna. Ano yun? Double na naman para kay April Jose. Pangalawa na niya yan.
But of course, itong Smart, no, they would take all these points
Errors kasi. Dami.
mula sa errors.
Oo. De Leon. Reyes. Ni-rest back si Kainglet that time. Here's De Leon. Running attack. Sue Roses. Walang taong nakabantay.
Wrong move there for the Meralco blockers.
Kumbaga sa basketball, backdoor play yung ginawa po doon ni Ruby De Leon para kay Sue Roses. Timeout, Meralco.
Ruby De Leon, team captain.
Ruby De Leon with a great serve.
At yan, no, yung momentum right now is on the side of Smart Maynilad.
Yes. At papalit dito, they need an extra defender. Pinalitan si Phil Kainglet. Nilagay si Elsie Girly Quemada, one-time libero ng College of St. Benilde. And Ruby gets that through. Binuhay ni Paneng. And a free ball given up here by April Jose. Charo, Ruby, Suzanne Roses.
Well, they have to do better than that.
So 22-17, Ruby once again. Yung lights pa nakatingin talaga sa paa niya kung saan umaapak eh. Panay Mercado, nice dig there by Gretchen Soltones. Ruby once again for Sue Roses. Daga by Quemada pero mapalakas. Quemada, hindi na nabuhay yung bola.
We see all the problems now happening on the side of Meralco.
And another timeout by Meralco, now down by 6. At ngayon, sa talim ng serve ni Ruby De Leon, kailangan lang makakuha ng magandang reception. And that time, Jen Reyes provides it for them. Eto ngayon, si Mercado, easily done. Para rito kay Paneng. Hinulog lamang yung bola. And now, Phil Kainglet moves to the front. At papalit niya si Elsie Girly Quemada. So, 23-18. Paneng Mercado. Going. De Leon. Combination. Pangatlong kombinasyon na yon si Banatikla that time. Here's Kainglet. Off the block. Soltones. Ruby. Maru. Binuhay pa rin ni Paneng Mercado. Here's Phil Kainglet. Soltones is there once again. Back set now. Sue Roses. Jen Reyes. Now that's what we're used to seeing her do. Morada. Binalik ni Ruby. Masyado na malapit para kay Kainglet. Pero panalo siya kontra rito kay Roses. Roses tulak. Binuhay na naman ni Reyes. Kainglet. Going. Combination play. Banatikla. Tinulak na lamang. Buhay pa rin. Charo. Nice block by Penetrante. Pero buhay pa rin. Not for long.
A good rally from both teams.
At tuwan-tuwa ang mga tao rito. Timeout si Roger Corayet at mukhang nahapo yung kanyang mga player sa haba ng rally na yun. Timeout for Smart Maynilad.
Meralco Power Spikers leading 4 points to tie this set.
23-19. Serving.
You have to let your players catch their breath.
Right. Si Roses mukhang hingal pa rin eh. Eto ngayon si Morada. Papunta kay Roses. Hindi naman sila magkakampi. Eto ngayon si Morada, nahanap ang guhit. Hindi daw nahanap ang guhit. Sabi ng ating linesman.
Oo, ngayon ang naging problema ng Meralco, kaya talagang lumamang ng malaki itong Smart Maynila. They've been committing a lot of errors here in the second set.
So 5 set points para sa Smart Maynila net spikers. Charo Soriano. Good serve. Ako, haba pala. So namigay na isa si Charo. 24-20. Quadruple set point pa rin. Coco Wang back in front for Meralco, their Chinese import. Penetrante. Going. De Leon. Combination off the block. Jose, quick set. Coco Wang, and that will not get it done. Double set for the third time. Kontra dito kay April Jose. And we are tied at 1 set apiece. Nakuha na Smart Maynila ang ating second set. 25-20. At makikita natin ating shaky play dito, Ann. Daming pagpipilian, pero makikita natin dito yung pagkabuhay. Jose, Coco Wang, walang nagawa. Third set, sa aming pong pagbabalik.
Ako po si Marine Penetrante Uwano ng Meralco Power Spikers at kayo'y nanonood sa Shakey's B-League Open Conference Season 10.